So before we start making the sanctuary, we need to draw and make a plan of the sanctuary first. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to be drawing a bird's eye view map. Okay, so that was one of the words, the key parts, the key vocabulary we were going to look at. And basically a bird's eye view is simply a view from the eyes of a bird. You are looking down as if you were flying over. What would you see? Alright, so that is a bird's eye view map. So here is an example of my bird's eye view map of my gorilla sanctuary that I've decided to draw. Alright, so I know it's quite bad quality, but I've sort of drawn a basic sort of space. I've got a hospital and supplies building. I've got people sort of outside the sanctuary who are sort of got these boxes as sort of lookout towers. I've got a river going down through the sort of middle of it, and then I've got a sort of fountain. I've drawn sort of hills here, got lots of different trees. These aren't sort of just one tree, these are going to be lots and lots of trees, but I didn't want to keep drawing lots of them. And then I've got some fruit trees as well. I've got a rocky area, some grass around here, play area. Although it doesn't look big, and like I say, even though that looks like maybe 2 or 3 trees, I want this to represent an enormous space for these gorillas to be. So as you can see, looking at this bird's eye view map, I haven't drawn a really detailed river. I haven't drawn a really sort of detailed building. I've just drawn a box, because if you were looking down as if you're a bird, that's what you'd see. You'd probably just see a little box. And I've done the same for the lookout towers. And I've drawn sort of person next to him. I know obviously you probably wouldn't see that person, but just wanted to show you that that's where I'd probably have my people looking out. I've also drawn sort of fence around as well, just to help them protect the gorillas.